Non-metallic sheath cable, also known as NM cable, requires derating when installed in raceways. This is contrary to the statement that NM cable does not need to be derated, no matter how many cables are run through a raceway. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for derating NM cable in raceways. These guidelines are essential to prevent overheating and ensure electrical safety. When installing 2 or more NM cables in a raceway, the ampacity of each cable must be derated to 80% of its original rating. If there are 3 or more NM cables in a raceway, the ampacity must be derated to 70%. For 4 or more NM cables, derate to 60% of the cable's ampacity. The purpose of derating is to prevent excessive heat buildup within the raceway. Firstly, increased resistance occurs. The close proximity of multiple cables increases the overall resistance of the circuit. This leads to greater heat generation. Secondly, reduced heat dissipation happens. The raceway restricts airflow around the cables. This reduces their ability to dissipate heat effectively. Thirdly, interference between cables takes place. Multiple cables running close together can magnetically interfere with each other. This further increases heat generation. It is important to note that these derating requirements apply to all types of raceways. This includes holes in studs, whether metal or wooden, conduits, and enclosures within electrical panels. Ignoring these derating requirements can have serious consequences. Firstly, overheated circuits and potential fire hazards may occur. Secondly, reduced circuit capacity and an increased risk of tripping can happen. Thirdly, nuisance tripping of circuit breakers or fuses may arise. And fourthly, premature failure of cables and insulation can occur. To ensure safe and reliable electrical installations, it is crucial to adhere to the NEC guidelines for derating NM cable in raceways. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements and interpretations. Proper derating practices are essential for preventing electrical hazards and maintaining the integrity of electrical systems.